Welcome back, Monster Machine and Smart Tech fans! Today we're diving into a world where steel meets innovation and incredible design to make the impossible possible. Let's do this! Kicking off our list is the Kamasu D375 AI8 intelligent dozer, a $1.2 million marvel that's revolutionizing the mining and construction industries. This beast measures 8.2 meters long, 4.6 meters wide, and stands 4.3 meters tall. That's about the size of a small house. But size isn't everything. This dozer packs a punch with 455 kilowatts of power, allowing it to perform autonomous operations with real-time terrain mapping. It's a giant, intelligent, earth-reshaping robot. Here's where it gets really cool. This dozer uses GPS and LiDAR for centimeter-level accuracy. That's right, it can create 3D models of work sites in real time. With its intelligent machine control system for optimal blade control, like a master sculptor and a supercomputer rolled into one. Now, let's take a trip back in time to the Franz Kenberg Shennan Zeppelin, or Rail Zeppelin. This prototype from the 1930s was a glimpse into a future that never quite arrived. At 25.85 meters long, 2.8 meters wide, and 2.8 meters tall, this sleek machine reached a speed of 230 kilometers an hour in 1931. That's faster than many trains today. Powered by a 600 horsepower BMW aircraft engine, it was propelled by a rear-mounted propeller. Yep, you heard that right, a propeller on a train. Sadly, only one was ever built, and the project was abandoned due to safety concerns and impracticality. But for a brief moment, it was the coolest thing on rails. Imagine commuting to work in a train that looks like it could take off at any moment. In the world of military engineering, few machines are as impressive as the Chieftain Armored Vehicle Launched Bridge. This $2.5 million marvel can deploy a 26-meter bridge in less than 2 minutes. Based on the Chieftain tank chassis, it measures 11.5 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, and 3.2 meters tall. Powered by a 750 horsepower Rolls-Royce diesel engine, it's as tough as it is useful. The bridge it deploys can support up to 70 tons, and the whole operation can be managed by a crew of just 2. Imagine being able to cross rivers or canyons at will. That's the power of the AVLB. Now, let's take to the skies with the Sakori XWing, a revolutionary aircraft that aimed to combine the best of helicopters and planes. This $100 million experimental marvel measured 17.7 meters long, 9.8 meters wide, and 4.9 meters tall. Powered by 2 TF-34 engines, the X-Wing could perform vertical takeoffs and landings, as well as high-speed forward flight. But here's where it gets really interesting. It could reach speeds of up to 345 miles per hour. That's faster than some commercial airliners. The X-Wing featured a unique stopped rotor design, allowing it to transition from helicopter to fixed-wing flight. Unfortunately, the program was discontinued due to high costs and technological challenges, but for a while, it was the closest thing we had to a real-life transformer. Moving back to Earth, we have the Zoomlion ZCC 9800W crawler crane, a giant in the world of renewable energy. This $8 million behemoth is designed specifically for wind turbine installation. In its transport configuration, it measures 21.6 meters long, 10.9 meters wide, and 4.9 meters tall. But don't let those numbers fool you. This crane can lift up to 800 tons. That's like lifting 4 blue whales at once. Powered by a 670 kilowatt engine, this crane features a unique wind-resistant design, allowing it to operate in high wind conditions. It uses an intelligent control system for automatic load calculation and even has a self-erecting counterweight system for easier setup to tackle the tallest wind turbines. Next up, we have the Heron Connect AG Pipe Express, a machine that's revolutionizing pipeline installation. This innovative system can install up to 1,000 meters of pipeline per day. What's truly remarkable about this machine is how it combines excavation, pipeline laying, and backfilling all in one process. It's like a giant mechanical worm, burrowing through the earth, leaving a fully installed pipeline in its wake. The Pipe Express significantly reduces environmental impact by minimizing surface disturbance and can operate in various soil conditions. While its cost and power specifications aren't publicly disclosed, its impact on the oil and gas industry is undeniable. It's changing the game 1 kilometer at a time. The Mammoet PTC 200DS crane is our next machine on the list, and this $30 million behemoth takes heavy lifting to a whole new level, literally. With a variable ring diameter that can reach up to 100 meters, this crane can lift an astonishing 5,000 tons. That's the equivalent of lifting 40 blue whales at once. Powered by multiple engines totaling over 6,000 kilowatts, this crane is a true titan. It can also be assembled in various configurations for different lift requirements and uses a unique ring system for 360-degree slewing and a dynamic ballast system for real-time load balancing. When disaster strikes, the Camy Amphibious responder is ready to roll or swim. This versatile vehicle can traverse difficult debris-filled terrain on both land and water, making it perfect for search and rescue operations. What makes it truly special is its unsinkability thanks to Camy's patented use of flotation foam approved by the US Coast Guard. The Amphibious responder features a modular construction that allows it to fit within a standard shipping container, making it easy to transport worldwide. It also has an interchangeable and modular powertrain system, making it adaptable to local governmental engine and emission standards. Incredible! Next, we have the Thyssen CRUP Continuous Ship Unloader. This marvel of engineering, which typically costs over $10 million, can reach heights of up to 50 meters. That's as tall as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. But it's not just tall, it's incredibly efficient. This machine can unload up to 5,000 tons of bulk materials per hour from ships. That's like emptying an Olympic-sized swimming pool every 12 minutes. Powered by engines over 1,000 kilowatts, the CSU uses a continuous bucket elevator system for unloading and can adjust to different ship sizes and tidal changes. It even incorporates dust suppression systems for environmental protection. Now, meet the Timberjack walking forest machine. This prototype from John Deere looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Standing about 6 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 4 meters tall, this mechanical marvel can traverse steep and uneven terrain like it's taking a stroll in the park, with 6 articulated legs that give it a walking movement. Controlled by a total machine control system, this forest giant is designed to safely navigate snow and mud in mountainous forests. While it's not commercially available yet, it represents a fascinating glimpse into the future of forestry equipment. Moving underground now, we have the Sanvic MR361 Roadheader. This $3 million machine is a tunneling beast, measuring 14 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, and 3.7 meters tall. With 400 kilowatts of power, it can excavate up to 100 cubic meters. That's about the size of a house, in just 1 hour. But here's a twist. It's not just for mining. This versatile machine is also used for creating wine caves. It features a rotating cutting head for precise excavation and can be operated remotely for increased safety. Brace yourselves for the F60 overburden conveyor bridge, a true titan of the mining world. This colossal machine is one of only 5 ever built, and it's easy to see why when you look at its dimensions: 502 meters long, 80 meters wide, and 74 meters tall. To put that into perspective, it's longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall, which is why it's nicknamed the Lying Eiffel Tower. This 13,500-ton giant can move 29,000 cubic meters of overburden per hour, powered by a whopping 27,000 kilowatts. And fun fact, it's now a tourist attraction in Lichterfeld, Germany. Talk about an industrial-sized playground. Let's take to the skies again with the Zeppelin NT Airship, a modern marvel that brings back the golden age of aviation with a high-tech twist. This $20 million beauty stretches an impressive 75 meters long, 19.5 meters wide, and stands 17.4 meters tall. Powered by 3 200-horsepower Lycoming engines, it can stay airborne for up to 24 hours. That's the equivalent of flying from New York to Los Angeles and back without touching the ground. Unlike traditional blimps, the Zeppelin NT uses a semi-rigid design. It's also equipped with vectored thrust for improved maneuverability. And get this, it can carry up to 14 passengers plus 2 crew members. Talk about traveling in style. Now, let's move back to the ground with another Mammoet crane, the PTC 200DS ring crane. This behemoth costs over $20 million and is the king of heavy lifting in confined spaces. With a maximum ring diameter of 100 meters, that's longer than a football field, it's not just big, it's strong. This monster can lift up to 5,000 tons. That's like picking up 6 statues of liberties at once. Powered by multiple engines totaling over 1,500 kilowatts, this crane can be assembled in various configurations for different lift requirements. It uses a unique ring system for 360-degree slewing and even has a dynamic ballast system for real-time load balancing. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Epir Pit Viper 351 blast hole drill. This $4 million machine is a giant among giants, standing 25.3 meters tall when its mast is raised. That's as tall as an 8-story building. But it's not just tall, it's a powerhouse. With 1,350 kilowatts of power, it can drill holes up to 406 millimeters in diameter. It uses an automated pipe handling system for increased safety, features a unique rig control system for remote operation, and even has an advanced dust collection system. And there you have it, folks, 15 of the most incredible, mind-bending machines on the planet. From the skies to the seas, from underground to overground, these mechanical marvels are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in engineering. If you think we missed something off the list, please let us know in the comments. As usual, like, share this video, and subscribe for more awesome monster machines, and if you want more right now, then click right here. See you in the next one.